the Jeannie and Cotton Show. So today I'm so excited because I got a package from Bullseye Toys. And I'm so excited to open this package. So let's just go ahead and open it. Yay guys, thank you so much Bullseye Toys for sending this package to me. I am so excited. Okay. So we got this envelope and let's go ahead and open it. Okay, it shows what's in here. So, Squish'ems, LOL Surprise, dog tags, Jurassic World cards, and LOL trading cards. So, let's go ahead and open it and see what we got. Squish'ems! We are Slow Rise Squishy. Whoa! One, two, three, four, five, 6 of those. Holy moly. Okay, so that's awesome. We'll go ahead and open some of these. So maybe, I don't know. I wonder how many there are to collect. Let's just go ahead and open them. And this is a skull series. Collect all 16 styles. Whoa, that's a lot. Get the checklist out. Okay. OMG, guys. So soft. Oh my gosh. So I got, let's see on the back. I got Melina. So this is Melina. I love her. We'll open this one. Oh, whoops. We got another Melina. That's okay. She's still very cute, and let's see, which one's softer? The first one is softer. We will go ahead and open up another one. Okay, we got a different one this time. We got Tech. Oh, this one's soft. This is really soft. I'll open one more and then I'll save the rest for later. Oh, we got a white one. Let's see the name. Oh, we got Kama. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so that's awesome. And these are so squishy and slow rising. So, these are all the skulls we got. We will go ahead and line them. Okay. Put those over there. And now let's get something else. These are LOL collectors cards. Oh my gosh, 99 cards to collect. It says 12 collector cards and 2 surprises inside. Series 1, Series 2, and Little Sisters. OMG guys, so these are so cute. We got 6 of them again. That's pretty awesome. So let's just see everything inside first and then I'll open those. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about these. These are the fashion tags. 1 fashion tag, 1 checklist, and 1 surprise. I'm so excited about this. So we got 6 of these also. And then we got the Jurassic World trading cards. So we got eight of these. Whoa! So we got 8 Jurassic World trading cards. These are pretty cool. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them all in here. I'm gonna pull randomly. So an LOL fashion tag. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh, this one's so soft. Okay. Look for rare gold glitter tags. Oh my gosh, that's cool. Oh my gosh, they come in little baggies. Cute. Okay, so this is the fashion tag. This is the checklist. There's a surprise in here. Okay. Oh, there's a sticker. OMG, it's so cute. I love that. And it says, go LOL. Now, let's see which one we're hoping for. Boom. The Glee Club, the Spirit Club, the Opposites Club, the Theater Club, the Athletic Club, the Dance Club, the Glam Club, the Glitterati. So I kind of want Hoops MVP in the Athletic Club. So let's just go ahead and see. I have no clue who I got though. Oh, she's so cute. Always ready for my selfie. That is so cute. Oh, there's a Glam Club. Yeah, okay. So here it is. Wait, let me show you better. Okay, that's so adorable. Let's see who we got. So that one. Oh, we got the Glam Club, the leading baby. That's so adorable. So we got the leading baby, and will it just, yes, it will. So we got the leading baby. That's so adorable. And I'm standing on the chair, not just standing up. Okay, so now I'm just gonna pull something. We'll pull the collector cards. The LOL collector cards, 12 collector cards inside and 2 surprises. Oh, here's the packaging. It has this baby on it. I don't know if it shows it on this one. That's fancy, I think. So yeah, fancy doll and a baby, so. Oh, yay, they're mystery. Oh, okay, so open up and see what's inside. Oh, cute. So Little Beats, Big Hearts, and this is 51% Punk, 49% Princess, Miss Punk, and Little Beats. That is so cute. I love how this one's a foily one. So I don't know. This one has folds in it. I know what this is. So you fold. Here it says, I think. Where do you bend again? Here and here. That is so cute. It says Little Beats Big Heart. And this is just a card. So this is the Glam card, foil card, 6 out of 9. That's so cool. Okay, guys, so now let's open up these and see what's inside, like it says. And okay, we already opened that one. I'm so excited to see who we got. Coconut Cutie, you had me at Aloha. Little Doll Face. Fox Reel. Burr BB, chilling with my homies. Honey Bun, I like big buns and I cannot lie. I love that. Little DJ. And I actually have little fancy, always look your best, but because I only have like 3 of them, so I have littles only. Jitterbug, don't walk, dance. Oh my gosh, I love this one. I Want It All, Neon Cutie. I love her. She's like an 80s chick. This is Pink Baby. Nursery School Dropout. Hops. It says, does running count as exercise? Shorty. Shorty from the Toy Blocks. Sis Swing, Don't Be a Square. So that's what we got in that pack. Now we'll do a Jurassic World trading card. Look for authentic costume cards. Ooh. So let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside. Oh my gosh, I see like a weird 3D thing on top. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Look guys, can you see it? Have you guys seen Jurassic World in theaters? I have not. So that is a cool one. Oh, they're like, this one's like a weird one, like spiky a little bit. Does it say? Oh, this is a glow-in-the-dark card. Ooh. We will try that one out. This is a film card. This is a dino card. This is a film card. This is a dino card. This is a film card. So that's so adorable. So let's see if this actually glows. Okay guys, so I did check, it does glow in the dark, but the light switch is over there and it's hard for me to navigate to the camera again, so I'm just going to tell you guys it definitely works, it's cool. So let's go ahead and get something else. We'll do another fashion tag. Which one should we do? We'll do this one. Fashion tag! I love the fashion tags, they're so awesome. So this one comes with this puppy sticker. This one's a cute one and it is different, it's so cute. And it is a sticker, right? Yes, it is. So that's adorable. Now let's see our fashion tag. Lace-eye. That's so cute. Let me look for her. Oh, she's also in the glam club. So Royal Heiny. So we got Royal Heiny and Leading Baby so far. So we'll go ahead and put that one on. Now we will actually, let's just open up some more fashion tags. We'll open them all. I love these guys, they're so fun. There's the surprise in here. Oh, this one's cute. It's the Glitterati squad. Oh my gosh, I hope I get the one of the Glitterati's. It's very adorable. So let's hope we got a Glitterati. see, can we tell? We cannot tell, so let's... Oh, we didn't. It says follow my lead. This is a Spirit Club baby, Majorette. That's so cute. Yes, it says follow my lead. So let's put this one on. All of them have different ball chains, I think, maybe. Yeah, one of them's purple, one of them's blue, and one of them's pink. Here's what they look like from the side. They dangle. So let's open some more. Let's hope we get a glitterati one. Okay, so the sticker. Oh, this is cute. Come on, glitterati. What's gold? Yay! I got a glitterati. I got Cosmic Queen. It says, what's your sign? That is so cute. This is amazing. So that is Cosmic Queen. We got all these dog tags. They're looking so cute and fashionable. So now let's open the last two. Let's see, can we tell? We can't tell. Oh, it says, go LOL. I think I already got this one. Yes, I did. But it's still really cute. So that's adorable. Now let's see. Hopefully we didn't get a duplicate. It might be leading baby. It's not. OMG. So this is making my entrance. And this is, what is her name? I totally forgot. Diva. I know it's Diva. Okay, Glee Club. So she's in the Glee Club. And she, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Now, let's open the last fashion tag. Let's hope we get another glitterati. Oh, this is a new one. I rocked before I could walk. That's so cute. And I love on how on our shirt it says ABCD instead of well, it's ACDC. And it says ABCD. It's so cute. Now, let's see what we get. Oh, okay, so it's a pink tag. It says, for sure. Oh my gosh, I get it because she's a surfer babe. It's an athletic club girl. So we got, wait, what is her name? Sorry. Surfer babe. It says for sure because, sure. Okay, we'll go ahead and put that on. So now we have all of our fashionable dog tags, no duplicates. So now we'll do the Jurassic World. I don't think we're going to do all of them since there are 8, so we'll pick, this is so many guys, it's exciting. We'll pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll do 2 more. And save these for another time. So, yay! Ooh, we got another like a cool card that like just like the shimmer. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Okay, so this is the glow in the dark card. This is a film card, I can tell. This is another film card, I can tell. This is a dino card, I bet. It's a film card, actually. This is a dino card. Then this is a film card. So those are all of those. Those are pretty cool. And we'll open one more. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got it. Oh, I love these. These are my favorite ones. This is a 3D action dino card, a glow-in-the-dark card, a film card. We actually already got this one. Another film card, a dino card. We already got this one also. It's a film card. And this is a film card also. So, those are those, and I think they're really cool. I love them. That is really cool, and I'm really excited about them. So now we'll go on to the next things, which they are the collector cards. So we will do 2 more and save these for a different time, just because I don't want this video to be super duper duper long, you know. I love these so much. They're so cool. I might actually do more than 2, but yeah. I love that everything's a surprise when you open it. Ah, that went everywhere. Okay, let's... Hip hop card. Oh, yeah. Follow My Lead, Majorette. And we got a Check Out My Beats. So, oh my gosh, that's so cute. We got little beats and big beats. Ah. So look, guys, this is little beats, then this is big beats. So let's go ahead and do hers. I cannot see the other line. There it is. Oof. Come on. Cute. So we have big beats and little beats. Now let's check out the cards. Open up and see what's inside. Little Shorty, Shortylicious for y'all, babe. Hip Hop Club card 59 out of 63. Little Dollface, Fox Real. I think we already got this one. Glam Club card 57 of 63. Little DJ Spinnin' and Grinnin'. Hip Hop Club number 58 out of 63. All of them are out of 63. Little Honey Bun, Hug Life. Oh, we got Big Honey Bun. Card 60, Hip Hop Club. Little Bon Bon Sweet, card number 61 of 63. I love her. Hops 2L8. She is Storybook Club card 62 out of 63. Little Snow Angel Snowball Fight 63 out of 63. Little Surfer Babe Beach is My Bay. Athletic Club card number 48 out of 63. Little Lit Baby Trees Chick. It's a Glam Club number 56 out of 63. Little Miss Baby, tiaras are not optional. Glam Club 55. Little Line Dancer, Just a Small Town Baby, number 54. And then, this is a thick one, okay. And Little Sis Swing, When in Doubt, Dance It Out. Card number 53 out of 63. So let's open this last one and see what we got. And there are 99 cards to collect. So that's pretty cool. I forgot what the surprise was. Wait, did I open that in the other one? I think I did. Yeah, I did. Okay, so this is Leading Baby and Little Center Stage. Oh my gosh, I love these. So I'm just gonna wait and do this one, but this one's so cool and foily. I love that one. Now let's open up the cards and see. Ooh, Jitterbug, Don't Walk, Dance. Forgotten that one. Number 34, Little Diva, Slay All Day. Number 46. Surfer Babe for sure. Number 10. This is a little Surfer Babe. Beach is my bae. Number 48. Fresh. Chill out and unsubscribe. Don't unsubscribe. Please subscribe to my channel right now. Opposites Club, number 2. Sis Swing, Don't Be a Square. 13. Spice, Hot Like a Pepper. Opposites Club, number 16. Wait, wasn't there one that was named? Oh, it was 13. Hoops MVP, Dribble Dribble Score. Number 11. I am 11 years old. Teamwork Makes the Dream Work. Cheer Captain, number 4. Rocker, I Rocked Before I Could Walk. Glee Club, number 5. Put a Sash on It. Miss Baby. Glam Club, number 15. Little Baby Cat, Positive, get it? Theater Club, number 52. And last one, Retro Club, number 35. Cherry, That's Wild. So I love this package so much. Thank you so much for sending this package to me. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And make sure you guys check the link down below so you guys go check out Bullseye Toys. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Bye!